Good day, Professor Magaji, Director, Sustainable Development Center of University of Abuja, Nigeria. My name is Mariam Bello Malabu. Thank you for the opportunity of presenting my research proposal. My topic is Policy and Regulatory Frameworks for Renewable Energy Integration. I'm going to be looking at a comparative analysis of Nigeria and global best practices. By way of introduction, this research highlights the global shift towards renewable energy and the challenges Nigeria faces in adopting renewable energy, such as regulatory inefficiencies, inadequate infrastructure, and financial constraints. As it is, we are struggling with insufficient renewable energy integration, contributing to energy shortages, reliance on fossil fuels, and slow progress towards sustainability. The country faces regulatory inconsistency, weak policy enforcement, financial barriers, and outdated infrastructure, which hinder renewable energy adoption compared to successful countries like Germany and China. So the aim of my research, or the objectives of my research, is to identify and describe key components of Nigeria's current policy and regulatory frameworks, to assess the effectiveness of Nigeria's renewable energy policies. We are going to examine the regulatory challenges faced by the renewable energy stakeholders in Nigeria. We are going to analyze successful policy and regulatory frameworks from other countries and also conduct a research and do a comparative analysis between Nigeria and other countries. And then we are going to explore the role of international organizations and the agreements in shaping Nigeria's renewable energy policies. And then finally, we are going to propose actionable policy recommendations for aligning Nigeria's renewable energy frameworks with global best practices. This research will seek answers on key components of Nigeria's current policy and regulatory frameworks for renewable energy integration. We are going to be asking questions on the effectiveness of renewable energy policies in facilitating investment. We are going to be asking questions on regulatory challenges being faced by stakeholders, including policy inconsistencies and bureaucratic hurdles. We are going to be asking questions on key factors contributing to the success of renewable energy policies in other leading countries like China and US and Germany. And then what are Nigeria's regulatory approach to renewable energy compared to other global leaders? And then we are also going to seek to find out the role of the international organizations and the agreements play in shaping Nigeria's renewable energy. So the significance of this my study is actually going to be crucial for informing policymakers, regulatory bodies, investors, and international organizations about the effectiveness of Nigeria's renewable energy policies. We're going to be offering evidence-based recommendations. My research aims to improve Nigeria's regulatory environment and attract more investment in the renewable energy sector, ensuring long-term energy security. So my literature review is going to be bordering on conceptual framework and theoretical framework. The former being defining sources of renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropower, and then highlighting the importance of integrating renewable energy into our national grid. While the latter, which is the theoretical framework, would look at energy transition theory, regulatory capture theory, and public choice theory. My research methodology will include research design, population, sample sizing, data collection, primary and secondary data. We're going to look at the method of data analysis. The study will use thematic analysis to analyze interviews focusing on themes such as policy effectiveness and barriers to renewable energy adoption. We are going to be comparing Nigeria's benchmark against successful global models to identify gaps and profile solutions. Thank you for your attention.